Where are you now? Where are you now? At the park. Where's the park? I will show you I will show them the park. The park. So where's Kuya Josh? And Justin? They're playing? Oh. The letter D building. Doha Bank building. Okay? You're eating? You have avocado shake? Oh.
O, diri ka na.